Frosty, run another pond bear. Oh, good boy. Look for another. I've only got crumbs left. Finish that one. Not that. That isn't a pond bear. There's more? Here. Put it in all in a pile for you. There you go. What else can we get? Yeah. Yeah, try that. It's a sugar snap. Eat it. Yeah. Snap it. Snap it again. Do you want some of the seeds out of it? See if you like them. Look, if I give you that. Oh, you're liking that. Do you want me to snap it all into pieces? There you go. Nice. Vegetables. That one's a bit big. Oh. Good boy. Get you some more seeds. What?
What are you doing?
Giving Frosty some food.
What is it?
It's sugar snap.
Don't give him sugar snaps. He's not going to like that.
Yeah, he is. He's been eating it.
Has he?
Yeah. Come here. What? I was going to say I ain't had a sandwich. Lie. Oh my god, there's a huge spider right next to me. Oh. Ah. Oh, Jesus, that's horrible. Keep eating. What? Hold on. That'll do. Peace.